Good morning, friends. My friend Tirthesh Bhai specially came from New Jersey, USA. He has done his hair transplantation. I have done two sessions of hair transplantation, and we have put around 6,500 grafts in 2 days, and we have worked around 18 to 20 hours in his case. We will explain what was his experience, why he has chosen India, and sir, please, where are you from, and just your
Yeah,
experience.
I'm Tirthesh Kiwala from New Jersey, US. So I've been, had the hair loss for a long time. I've been looking for many options. Did my research on various techniques, how to do things, but I was not never comfortable with it. But then one fine day, I ended up in one of my friends recommended who had did their hair transplant here. It was a very similar case to me, and the results were amazing. So I had the confidence, but the whole experience end to end, from setting up the appointment or you guiding about how the process works, everything, right? It builds a confidence. In the end, there are many places out there. Some are way too professional. They don't guide you as well. But in this case, I mean, you explain me the procedure, the risks involved, what exactly it takes, the techniques, the technical terms as well, like not just high level, that you went into details to explain me what kind of techniques you use and how it's beneficial for longer results. And so that built that confidence. And the session also here, the hospital is pretty good. um, Very clean, very nice sanitized place. In terms of the procedure itself, I mean, there is local anesthesia, so it wasn't very painful. um, and the hard work was done by you guys.
Thank you
I
so
was
much.
just resting. And
Thank you so much.
yeah, it's so in the end, I mean, it's good. I feel much better, and this is just a confidence booster for us, like,
Thank you so much.
so it's
How do you rate now Indian doctors? And what is your opinion now? People are going to Turkey, and instead of Turkey, people have started coming to India. So, what is your opinion about Indian doctors?
it's much better. I think, to be honest, I have not spoken in person to with the Turkey doctors. I did explore the options, just didn't feel that comfortable to go with them. So there is some percentage of bias, to go with Indian doctors, but the skill level is right up there, maybe even better in some cases. So
Did you felt any pain, swelling, or infection, anything?
no, I mean, it's good. No pain at all. Swelling also, I mean, day one little bit, but that was not a swelling, as you explained. It's a normal, after the operation, but it subsided. Like in the second day, it was good. Now also, it's no pain as such, and the follow up was very, as scheduled and everything. So done in a timely manner. So all good. It respected my time because I am here for a very short
No,
time.
no, that's my pleasure, sir.
So that also helps, in the whole, as a whole package, right? um, that you wanted to do it 10 days apart, and you went out of your way to schedule the appointments
My
a
pleasure.
bit early also. So, and see, all these things, add up to, on top of the skills and everything.
Absolutely.
it as a package, it helps a lot. So
Absolutely. That's my pleasure, sir. Looking forward for a good result. And I hope you will send me new look
yeah,
photographs.
I'm waiting to see.
Yeah, yeah. It will be my pleasure to show
I've
you.
in a long time I have not seen my
Yeah,
hairline, so
it will be
so
my
this should be
pleasure.
fine. Yeah.
Yeah.
All
Thank you
right.
so much.
No problem. Thank you again.